Hi everyone, welcome to Capital Craft. On this channel, we share the best tips, tools, and strategies to help you make money online. So if you want financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Are you looking for real ways to make money online in 2025? Well, you clicked the right video. Because today I'll share the top 3 websites that can actually help you earn money, even if you're just starting out. Website number 1, Fiverr. First up, we have Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can sell digital services like graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, or even simple data entry. You don't need experience, just pick a skill and create a gig. Thousands of people are making $500 to $2,000 every month using Fiverr. Website number 2, Upwork. Next is Upwork. Similar to Fiverr, but here you can land bigger projects and long-term clients. Many freelancers earn full-time income from Upwork by offering services like programming, social media management, or content writing. If you want to build a career online, Upwork is the place to be. Website number 3, Etsy, digital products. And number 3 is Etsy. Most people think Etsy is only for handmade crafts, but in 2025, digital products are booming. You can sell printables, planners, templates, or even digital art. The best part? You create the product once and sell it again and again, pure passive income. So these were my top 3 websites to make money online in 2025: Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy. If you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on any of these platforms, comment below and I'll do it for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Capital Craft, and turn on the bell icon for more money-making tips.